The mystery behind the sanitary paper. The most shocking scientific investigation you never knew. Intro, mystery opening. What is the object closest to a woman's most intimate area for 40 years of her life? Sanitary pads. And these are the microfibers from the threads and fine cotton that are in the sanitary napkins. Today, I'm going to reveal everything, from raw materials and production processes to secret technologies, to the taboos that are rarely discussed. Segment 1. An unexpected historical journey. A major change occurred during World War I. Nurses on the battlefield discovered that cellulose bandages, used for wounded soldiers, were highly absorbent and more comfortable. They began using them for menstruation, and thus the modern sanitary napkin industry was born. Segment 2. Autopsy of a sanitary paper, disassembly layer by layer. There are 7 different layers. Yes, 7, and each has a vital role. The first layer, the non-woven cover. This is the one that touches our skin. It's made of synthetic fibers arranged randomly, creating millions of microscopic pores. Its function? It quickly allows liquid to pass down, but doesn't allow it to rise back up. This structure is what makes the blood flow quickly. The second layer, the acquisition distribution layer, ADL. This is a thin, tissue-like layer, but very strong. Its function is to distribute fluid horizontally. Why is it important? Because without it, blood would pool in one spot. The pad would leak quickly in one area, while other areas remain dry. And now we get to the heart of the sanitary napkin, the absorbent core. 2 friends working together, fluff pulp and SAP. Fluff pulp is made from Scandinavian pine. Why from there? Because its fibers are long and strong, making it more absorbent than regular wood. The trees are specially planted, felled, processed into wood pulp, and then bleached without chlorine. While we were watching, we deliberately put water in to see the reaction to the sanitary napkin. But here's the star, super absorbent polymer. See these tiny granules? They're only 0.2 millimeters in size. But when exposed to liquid, they can expand up to 200 times in size. 1 gram of SAP can absorb 30 to 60 grams of liquid. The 4th and 5th layers, tissue wrap. This is like a wrap that keeps the fluff pulp and SAP mixture in place. Like a mattress, this is the pillowcase. The 6th layer, backsheet or polyethylene. This is the final layer, a special plastic that is impermeable to water but breathable. Millions of microscopic pores allow air to pass through, but prevent liquids from passing through. And finally, the 7th layer, adhesive and release paper. A special adhesive that's safe for skin and fabric, plus silicone paper that protects the adhesive before use. The adhesive is also rigorously tested, ensuring it adheres to fabric, but leaves no residue. Segment 3, experiment endurance test. When water is dripped, the water is immediately absorbed and retained, and we have tried. It does not penetrate because of the strong external network. Segment 4. Hidden danger investigation. There are cheap sanitary napkins on the market made from questionable materials. Some use recycled paper, used cotton, and even forced bleached textile waste. This isn't a conspiracy theory. It's a fact that's been repeatedly revealed. What we're currently observing are good quality sanitary napkins, essentially evenly dense. Segment 5. Debuting myths. What to do and not to do. Myth 1. Pads can kill bacteria. Fact no. Pads don't contain antiseptics. In fact, if worn for too long, the blood they collect can become a breeding ground for bacteria. The solution? Change them regularly. Myth 2. Scented pads are cleaner. Fact no. Scents only mask odor, not eliminate the cause. In fact, fragrances can even cause irritation. Myth 3. Pads can be worn until they're full. Fact false. Change them every 3 to 4 hours, even if they're not full. This is standard hygiene practice. Myth 4. Gel pads are dangerous. Fact no. Gel pads have been tested for decades and are safe. What's dangerous is if they contain illegal additives. Myth 5. Women shouldn't exercise during menstruation. Fact, it's okay. In fact, it's recommended. Light exercise helps reduce cramps. Use a comfortable pad. Segment 6, Conclusion and Closing. Friends, we've come a long way today. From hundreds of years of history, we've dissected the layers of sanitary napkins, conducted small experiments, and uncovered the hidden dangers of using illegal sanitary napkins. And now it's time to ask you women, what will you do after this? Maybe you'll start being more selective about choosing sanitary napkins. Maybe you'll change them more regularly. Maybe you'll start talking openly with your daughter about this. Whatever it is, you'll never again view sanitary napkins as trivial. Behind them lies knowledge, struggle, health, and dignity. Friends, I, at Maduma_7, want to express my deepest gratitude. You've taken the extra time to learn with me. It shows that you care. You care about yourself, your fellow women, and your female partners. If this video is helpful, please share it with your friends, siblings, and mothers. This knowledge must be shared. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other educational videos. One last message: your body is your home. Take good care of it. Take good care of it. You are happy. You are sad. You dream. You live in that body. So love your body. I'll say goodbye first. See you in the next video.